हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। देखिए राइट, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, स्मॉल स्क्वायर लूप ऑफ वायर ऑफ साइड एल इज प्लेस्ड इनसाइड अ लार्ज स्क्वायर लूप of wire of side capital L. So let us make the figure here. So this is your larger square, okay, and very a small square is kept at the center, and the length of this one is L, and this one let us take the capital L, and it is given in the question the L is very large than a small l. So for the purpose of solving this question, I can assume like ये जो a smaller square है, it is almost at the center of the bigger square. So let us name this side here. So I am calling this A, B, C and D. So this is the loop are coplanar with the centers coincide. ठीक है, okay. The mutual inductance of the system is proportional to. So in order to calculate the mutual inductance, okay, so let us take the I current is flowing in this direction. So what is the magnetic field due to AB first? So what I will apply here is flux is equal to M into I. So the current I have taken in bigger square, flux I will calculate in this, okay, the flux associated in this one, and I have taken this one, and this will give you the value of mutual inductance. So I am trying to calculate the flux through the smaller square. So in order to calculate the flux, I need to calculate the magnetic field at the center of the bigger square. So let us calculate here. So the magnetic field due to AB I will calculate first. So let us calculate it separately. B due to AB, right? Okay, see how much, right? You can apply the formula here, mu naught I upon, right, 4 pi d, right, sine alpha plus sine beta. So this becomes mu naught I have taken 4 pi d. The distance I am trying to calculate the magnetic field due to AB at center. I'm trying to calculate at the center. So the distance will be how much? L by 2. So I will put here L upon 2. And the angle C, right? If we'll join this, and if we join this, and if we join like this, this is perpendicular. So this angle will be 45 degree, and similarly this angle will also be 45 degree. So here you will get here sine 45 plus sine 45 degree, right? So we'll get here mu naught I upon, this will become 2 pi L, and sine 45 is 1 upon root 2, so 2 times of this, so this will become root 2. Okay, so finally we will get here mu naught I upon root 2. Okay, let us leave it. So we are getting the magnetic field due to AB is this. So magnetic field due to AB is this. So this will also be equal to BC, CD and AD, because center is symmetrical with respect to AB, BC, CD and AD. So I can say here this will also be equal to magnetic field due to BC is equal to DC, and that is also equal to AD. So total magnetic field, okay, so I can say here B at center total will be equal to the 4 times of this. So if you take the 4 times of this, so 2, you will get here 2 root 2 mu naught I upon pi L. I have done the 4 times of this. So if you will do here 4 times, 2, 4 get right, 4 will get cancel off with 2, and numerator will get 2 root 2. So this you are getting magnetic field. So what will the flux? Now calculate the flux here. Flux associated with a smaller square. So here the flux will get B into area of a smaller square is nothing but L square. Okay, so this is the B here. Let us call this is equation 1. Flux you got this. Okay, and let us call this is equation 3. Okay, so right, by putting the value of 1 and 2 in equation 3, I can say BL square is equal to, the flux is equal to m into I. So m I is this. Okay. So the value of B is, see, you are getting from here. So the value of B is 2 root 2 mu naught I upon pi L. Right, this is the value of B from the equation 1 into a small l square is equal to m into I. Right, this is not, right, this is using equation, right, using equation 3. Okay, that is flux is equal to m into I. So see, right, I will get cancelled out. Okay, so the magnetic, so m will come, this L square will get this side. So from here I can say the m you will get here 2 root 2 mu naught L square upon pi L. Okay, so this will be the answer. So let us see which option is there. So it is saying the mutual inductance is proportional to, right? So I can say here mutual induction is proportional to L square upon L. You can easily see, because 2 root 2 mu naught pi is constant. So I can say here m is proportional to L square upon L. So see which option is coming, option B. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.